Physics deals with everything from the massive size of galaxies to the tiny diameter of an atom. Writing down a number with 20 zeros is exhausting and leads to mistakes. That's why we used clever shortcuts, prefixes, and scientific notation. What are prefixes? Prefixes are words or letters added before SI units to represent multiples or submultiples of 10. Think of it like a nickname. Instead of saying 1,000 meters, we simply say 1 kilometer. Here, kilo is the prefix, and it stands for 10 or 1,000, the prefix table. Learning this table is like a cheat code. Common prefixes include mega for millions and micro for millions. Now, what if we don't have a specific prefix? Scientific notation helps us write numbers as 1 to 10 and powers of 10. For example, the distance to the moon is 380 for million meters. In scientific notation, we write it as 3.8 for times 108 meters. The decimal rule, if you move the decimal to the left, the power is positive. For example, 6.022 billion is written as 6.022 times 10 raised power 9. If you move it to the right, the power is negative. It's that easy. For example, 0.0000123 is written as 1.23 times 10 raised power minus 8. Mastering these two tools will make your numerical problems much easier. In the next video, we will start looking at measuring instruments, starting with the meter rule and measuring tape. See you there.